got Texas Chainsaw Day. Basically, August 18th, I believe. That is when the movie takes place, basically. It's the start of Texas Chainsaw Massacre. It's basically, I guess this is the 50th anniversary. So yeah, I'm checking it out, or did just check it out. It's a bizarre film, and always one of my favorite memories of the film is basically getting, this was probably 2008, getting a copy of, I can't ever think of a movie, it's a movie about 9/11, and basically the Republican Party sent it to me. It's a sealed movie, and my baby brother, rest his soul, he's like, you can return that to Best Buy. It's like, but I don't have a receipt. He's like, it doesn't matter, as long as it's not open, they'll take it back. So they'll give you a store credit. So I was basically able to take this movie back and then get a steel book of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre with that. So that's one of my favorite memories of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Such a tripped out movie. One of the most brutal horror films. I mean, because if you've looked into the making of it, just what they put certain people through and how like their reactions are so genuine. Gotta see behind the scenes. That was really cool seeing it restored 4K. I've seen it on the big screen at least once or twice. I know at drive-ins and stuff. The Holiday Drive-In Theater, Mountain Amelia, that's the Pierce Point Cinema 8. This is a great movie theater, good prices. Right up the road is another drive-in, that's the Starlight. So yeah, I've been to that multiple times. Was there last year, I think? Or maybe this year. Yeah, I went to see Sinners there this year. Another great horror film. There you go. It's Texas Chainsaw Day. Adios, amigos.